Hello, for Uber? Hi, how are you?
Hello.
Hello, how's it going?
I'm doing good.
Good, welcome on in. What's the name?
I'm Anna, and you?
Oh, I'm Dylan.
Dylan.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you, Dylan. You're so cute.
You think I'm cute?
How old are you?
What?
How old are you?
Oh, why do you want to know?
I'm just curious about you.
What do you mean?
Yeah, I saw you when it was coming the notifications from the app, and I feel like a very good energy. Since when I come here, I was thinking like, yeah, energy. I feel like a good energy, and I'm very curious. Since when you came, that I saw that you was coming to drive.
Well, I'm really into zodiac signs.
Oh yeah, so I feel like a lot energy, and I think like a lot of energy is going on here between us. So how old are you? Yeah, I'm curious to know about you. I want to know more about you.
Oh, I'm
actually, like, I have a gift for you.
You have a gift for me?
Yes, I have a gift for you.
What kind of gift do you have?
Look.
Oh my
this
God.
Is for you. Oh, let me grab this one.
You have flowers for me?
Yes. So this one is for you because you deserve that. You deserve a woman who takes care of you.
You just have flowers in your purse?
Yes. I always have some flowers.
Oh.
But I was waiting to give to that right person, and you is the right person. I think is the right person to my life.
Really?
Are you single? Are you ready to move on in your life?
I mean, I am single.
Are you single?
Yeah.
Oh my God, this is perfect. I love that. You're single. Okay,
you don't care that I'm an Uber driver?
No, I love this.
And you don't care that I'm wearing glasses?
No, I like glasses. I should wear glasses too. We can go Costco and buy some glasses if we get in a relationship. But I think you are very good with cars, and I love that. I really don't care about what you do for work, what you do for living.
Really?
I don't care about that. I don't care about that.
Okay.
I just want to stay with you. I think you're gonna be nice together with me. How old are you?
Well, I just turned 21.
Oh, okay.
How old are you?
I'm 26.
Oh,
so
okay.
So maybe not be a problem, right?
I'm into cougars.
I think you're super cute.
Oh, thank you.
Do you want to go a date with me?
You want to go on a date with me?
Yes. Can we go a date? Like, can we go to dinner? Like, what's your favorite?
Well, I mean,
food?
I'm just an Uber driver, so I don't make that much money.
But I don't care. I don't care. I mean, I can pay for that.
You're gonna pay for dinner?
For the dinner today, yes. But after, like...
Because I literally haven't eaten in like 3 days because I only make like $4 an hour driving Uber.
Oh, sweet.
Well, because I'm trying to be a TikToker, like I'm trying to get followers.
Oh, sweet, this is hard. I know, I feel you.
You can take care of me?
I mean, it's hard to take care of myself, but we can find together.
Really?
Yes. What do you think? You think I look great?
You?
Yes.
Yeah, you look pretty nice.
Okay, so let's hang out and see how things go from here.
Okay. This has like never happened to me before.
Yes. I told you, I feel the energy.
The energy, the auras,
yes,
the chakras.
It is the destination for we to be together.
Oh.
The Uber, it is the Cupido.
Okay. So, do you want to go right now?
Yes.